How to BUI dollar AnimeCoin Token crypto coin. How to buy a token, a step-by-step guide. Before we begin, please note that I'm not a professional financial advisor or an economic expert. This content is purely educational, and I encourage you to conduct your own research before making any investment decisions. Cryptocurrency and token investments can be volatile and risky. Please always be cautious and informed before proceeding. In this guide, I'll walk you through the process of buying a new token. Whether you're new to crypto or just looking for a refresher, this video will help you understand how to securely buy tokens on an exchange. Step 1. Research the project. Before you invest in any cryptocurrency or token, it's crucial to understand the project behind it. A token is more than just a digital asset. It represents the success or failure of a broader project. Start by researching the following. The white paper. Every serious cryptocurrency project will have a white paper. This document outlines the mission, technology, and goals of the project. It's important to read it thoroughly to understand what the token is about and its long-term vision. Social media and community. Engage with the community of the project. A healthy, active community can indicate that the project has strong support and trust. Look for discussions on platforms like Twitter, Reddit, or Telegram. For instance, some projects boast large followings, such as over 100K followers, which can show a strong, engaged community base. Updates and news. Follow updates about the token. Projects regularly announce partnerships, technological upgrades, or important news that can impact the token's price or its overall success. Always stay informed. Remember, do your due diligence and avoid rushing into an investment without sufficient knowledge. Step 2. Create an account on an exchange. Once you've decided which token you want to buy, the next step is to find a trusted cryptocurrency exchange. One popular option is MEXC. Here's what you need to do. Sign up. Visit the official MEXC website and sign up for an account. Make sure to use the referral link provided, if applicable, to get rewards or bonuses. Secure your account. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, to add an extra layer of security to your account. This is crucial to protect your funds and personal information. Deposit funds. To buy a token, you will need to deposit funds into your exchange account. Depending on the platform, you can deposit fiat currency, like USD or Euro, or other cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Make sure your funds are available before proceeding to buy the token. Step 3. Find the token you want to buy. Now that you have your account set up and funds in your exchange wallet, you're ready to search for the token. Search for the token. Most exchanges have a search bar. You will need to copy the token symbol, for example, XTD or ABC, and paste it into the search field. Check for availability. Make sure that the token is available for trading on the platform. If the token hasn't launched yet, you'll need to wait until it becomes available. This can be particularly important for newly listed tokens that often experience high volatility around their release. Review the market. If the token is available, click on it to open the trading interface. Review the current market data. Check the price, market cap, volume, and other relevant statistics. It's important to ensure you're comfortable with the price and market trends before making a purchase. Step 4. Decide on your order type. When you're ready to buy the token, you'll need to decide on the type of order you want to place. There are two main types of orders in cryptocurrency trading. Market order. This is the simplest order type. A market order buys the token at the current market price. It's fast and straightforward, but the price may change slightly between when you place the order and when it is filled, especially in volatile markets. Limit order. A limit order allows you to set the price at which you want to buy the token. If the market reaches that price, your order will be executed. This method gives you more control over the price, but may take longer to fill if the price doesn't reach your set limit. It's recommended to start with a market order if you're in a hurry, but if you're looking to buy at a specific price, a limit order may be more appropriate. Step 5. Confirm your purchase. Once you've decided on the order type and entered the amount of the token you want to buy, it's time to confirm the transaction. Here's what you should check. Review the transaction. Double-check the details of your purchase. Ensure that the amount and price are correct before confirming the transaction. Transaction fees. Be aware of any fees associated with the trade. Cryptocurrency exchanges typically charge a small fee for each transaction. Make sure to account for these when calculating your total investment. Confirm the purchase. Once everything looks good, confirm your order. The platform will process the trade, and the tokens will be credited to your account once the transaction is complete. Step 6. Monitor your investment. After purchasing the token, it's important to continue monitoring your investment. Cryptocurrency markets are very dynamic, and prices can fluctuate rapidly. Stay up to date with the latest news from the project, the market trends, and any changes that could affect the value of your token. You can also consider setting price alerts through your exchange platform to notify you when the token hits a certain price. This will help you make informed decisions about when to sell or hold. Step 7. Secure your tokens. Once you've bought the token, ensure that your investment is secure. Many users store their tokens on the exchange itself, but this can be risky. For added security, consider moving your tokens to a private wallet, such as a hardware wallet or a software wallet. This way, you have full control over your assets, and they are less vulnerable to exchange hacks. Disclaimer: this video and article are for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, and this content should not be considered financial advice. Cryptocurrency investments carry inherent risks, and it's important to conduct your own research and consult with a financial professional before making any investment decisions.